What's going on, everybody? This is the Wooden Spoon Cooking Show, and today we are going to be making
Pasta Fagioli.
Pasta Fagioli. It's basic.
It's
a staple.
Pasta, beans, tomatoes, onions, celery, carrots, parsley. You can use chicken broth, you can use veggie broth, however you want to make it. Olive oil, salt and pepper. Very simple, very basic. Great recipe if you use veggie stock for upcoming Lent.
It's vegetarian.
Meatless.
Is this what they call pasta fagioli too? Or is it something else?
No, fagioli, but we call it fagioli.
Yeah.
That's the real way to say it.
Not goombas.
No manja cakes.
Alright, so what do we do first?
So I have all the ingredients already cut up and prepped. So we're gonna start at the stove.
Okay. So what are we doing now?
Okay, so we put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't measure, so it's about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little more. We're gonna heat that up. We're gonna add the carrots, celery, and onion. Half a cup of celery, half a cup of carrots. You can hear the sizzle. Sorry, I do everything with my hands. A cup of onions chopped up. I use Vidalia onions or Spanish onions because they're sweet. They don't make you cry so much. You're going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes.
Is that it?
Yeah, for now. Now we're going to add the garlic. You can use regular garlic. I use this one already minced in olive oil. 1 clove, saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to add 32 ounces of either chicken broth or veggie broth. Whatever you want to use. You want to use this recipe for Lent. Then we're going to use a can of San Marzano tomatoes, plum. You're going to chop them up yourself, and you're going to put the juice in there too.
You're going to get over.
I got it all over you. Sorry.
Why San Marzano?
San Marzano because they're the sweetest tomatoes. You don't want sour tomatoes. And now I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, okay? Too much. You can always add it, you can't take it out. Black pepper. Make it spicy. If you like it more spicy, what can you add?
Crushed red.
There you go. And we are going to simmer this. So we're going to raise the heat, Nico, because then it's going to boil faster.
Just simmer it to boil, and then...
Yep.
For how long?
We're going to wait and see. Maybe 5 minutes. 10 minutes, we can put the lid on it.
So we're boiling hard.
Yeah, we're simmering hard. We're going to put the cannellini beans in. And Nico, how do you like your pasta fagioli? Soupy?
No.
Or dry? So we're going to add the whole box. You like it
whole box of
soupy?
Ditalini.
Ditalini, but it low. You like it soupy? Use half a box. You're going to boil it for half the amount of time on the package of Ditalini. So we're going to do 5.5 minutes.
Filming a TikTok. You could always catch the cooking show early on TikTok, but the full one on YouTube.
Now we'll do 6. Can't do
6
that.
minutes. Get that close up. Sweet.
That's it. Now we're going to turn it off. We're going to cover it, take it off the burner, and let it sit for half an hour.
Why do we have to let it sit?
Because in Italian it's called riposado. Riposado, it means to rest. And it's going to get all the flavors in the pasta and it's going to make it better. So now you got a half an hour to do whatever you want to do. Set the table, get the bread, get the cheese, whatever ready. And then the last step you're going to do when it's ready in a half an hour.
Alright, see you guys in a half hour.
Here, Nico, you're going to do the last step. You're going to put some fresh parsley on.
Putting some fresh parsley on.
And it's ready to eat.
Boom.
You gotta get this little meat though.
Official food review?
Did you turn the volume up?
Mm-hmm. Been wrong. Mmm. That's good. Everybody's watching me. It's very good. I don't know what to judge it. Put the cheese on. I like how it's very perfect. It's not soupy. You don't want soupy. 9-1 on the Pasta Fagioli. 9-1. Stellar. Thank you guys for watching the Wooden Spoon Cooking Show. Comment what you thought. Comment what you want to see us cook next. Make sure to follow us on all social medias, all that stuff, and use code COOKINGSHOW on thewoodenspoonstore.com to get 10% off. See you in the next episode.